Hello, my name is Praveen and I'm from Assured Assist. Today we are going to learn about Google Search Console. Google Search Console will help you to analyze the visitors in your website. Here we go. We have performance, what we can see, and it shows by default for the last 3 months. You can see it here. It started on 18 December, which is valid till today's date is 19th March. So it is showing you for the last 3 months. Okay. So this is a new website on which we are just analyzing the performance, and then we go down, we see how many pages have got indexed. Over here it clearly says 69 indexed pages are available, and if we go down little more down we can see the experience. So how many pages are in HTTPS and then how many are non HTTPS. So this is hypertext transfer protocol, so in a secure layer and in a non-secure layer. So however we have about 9 secured pages which is it showing over here, and then we also have something called enhancement, so called as breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs is something which is useful to navigate your web page. I'll explain you one after the other. Let's go with HTTPS over here. So it says HTTPS URLs 9 pages have got indexed, and let's get in and see what are those pages. Here we go. Do you see this? All the pages have got indexed in the month of March. Only one page was indexed in the month of Feb. So these are all those 9 pages, which means in the recent days these pages have got indexed, and all these pages are covered with the HTTPS as a front URL, which is so called as a secure layer. So if you browse your website like this, you can see here on the address bar, if there is a S, a secured, which ends after HTTP, it means that the website is secured. All right. Now let's go back to the same performance dashboard, and let's go back here with indexed pages. All right, now we are on the indexed pages, indexing pages, or we can call it as pages which have got indexed. All right, so there we go. Here we can see 69 pages have actually got indexed, out of which we could only see 9 are showing under experienced pages which have a good experience. Those pages are moreover secured layer. And don't get confused, so those pages which Google had considered saying that the pages have a good experience, the page experience, are said to be pages with experience. And now these are generalized pages. It says all the pages have got indexed, 69 pages have got indexed. It doesn't mean all the pages have a very good experience. Only few will get a very good experience based on its content and design and the images and everything as such. Now let's get in to see what are those pages. And before getting to those indexed pages, let's see those non-indexed pages over here, right? We can see 258 pages which are not indexed with 7 reasons. Let's get into the reasons first. It says pages with redirect. All right, it means that I have certain pages which are getting redirected to another page. All right, I agree, I accept with that. Now let me get to see what is this server error 5xx. It should be something called the page was not available on, it's basically not active. Okay, there should be some coding error or something. For that reason this 5xx kind of errors, usually we call it as 500, those kind of errors frequently appear when a website page is not active. We will get into that. And then some says that they have been blocked by robots.txt. Now what exactly is this robots.txt? Robots.txt is another file. It's a text file in which we talk to the robots from our website. Which means if I have to say the robots, the Google robots, you can call them as Google bots as well. So if I have to say talk to them as a website owner saying that my pages are these, and you may go ahead and index all these pages which I have posted on my website. For that reason, we use this robots.txt, the very first file which is mentioned on your robots.txt is a sitemap. So we give a link, direct link to a sitemap on this robots.txt file. See, if you browse any of the website trail and you put this robots.txt, you will get to see their statistics. Say whatever it could be. Let it be a sitemap, or let it be some other rules and regulations. You know, rules and regulations are again they fall under HTTP. Sorry, the HT access file. There will be some other hidden file that's different. So robots.txt could manage only the structure of your website, in what way those all those links have to appear. Say for example, your website has a secret folder. You have an e-commerce website, and now that you are not selling one category product, now you want to hide that particular product from appearing to the public. In that case, you have to take the help of robots.txt saying this folder slash so and so category name, it is restricted, don't look at this my to your robots.txt. Okay, I mean, like, you're telling to the robots saying that don't look at my this kind of category file or folder. Okay, so that it will stop looking and indexing your pages and show them to the public. So apart from this, we have one more error called no index tag. What exactly is this no index tag? In general, if you make a website in a complete coded language, there is a welcome note for whether to inform you that whether this page has been indexed or not. But nowadays we are using a lot many web 2.0 kind of websites like wordpress or any other blogging pages for making a website. So usually we shouldn't get this kind of no index tags other than I mean, like, in case if you have a plugin which might have some internal coding that would say it don't index my plugin on their website, maybe. So let's ignore this. And then here comes not found. 404 404 is a very common error, and the reason why it appears on your page is that your website page has been deleted without you knowing that this page is existing on your website. It has got deleted. Could be that some of your colleague has logged in and deleted, or maybe that you have unknowingly deleted an indexed page. In such cases, we get this 404 error. So this is very important. Never forget about this error. This has to be rectified, and the reason why is that if a page has some kind of issues, it is not going to be called as a good SEO page. And now that this Google will stop looking at your website if you continue to maintain such kind of 404 errors or no index tags or some other issues with your robots.txt or 500 error or pages with redirect. Over here we can also see one more redirect error. It could be one image that's getting redirected or something. We will open that page and we can dig into that. And the last but one says crawled but not indexed. Why is this kind of error? You know what? If your page is not up to the mark, I would repeat, it is up to the mark. In the sense, the page is not having a great content. Could be that it has been duplicated from your previously existing pages, or that you have copied the content from others' website to your page and you're showing it to Google saying this is my page. In such kind of cases, Google system will not be happy to crawl, or maybe you can say yes, it has crawled, but it won't index your pages. And again, there comes another 404 error. This is called soft 404, and lucky that we don't have anything on our website. But yes, it could be something similar to the reason when something has got deleted from your website. Okay, so these are all those kind of errors. And here you can see one more: duplicate without user selected canonical. Luckily, we don't have any such kind of issues. See, now that canonical is said to be the slug of your website, which means, like, the end part, like after you finish your domain name or slash and give the name of your page, that is called a slug. So if that kind of slug is repeated with another page, we can call it as getting duplicated. So lucky that you don't have. If you see such kind of pages, they will not get indexed by Google. And now we have a last error, which are we supposed to discuss: alternative page with proper canonical tag. No, wait, we have one more. So here we go. Discovered, currently not indexed. Fine, we have zero issues for such kind of thing, and even crawled not indexed and discovered not indexed. We will understand the difference between crawled and discovered. Okay, let's go back to alternative page with proper canonical tag. For example, you have a content on your website and you have another page with a relative content. So it says alternative page you already have with the proper canonical tag, and now why should I index your another page? Okay, in such kind of cases we may see kind of errors over here. We will have to do a research only when you get to see this kind of issues. And similarly, discovered, currently not indexed. It is similar fashion to crawl, currently not indexed, and current. See, this is three-step process. First process, when you submit your website to Google, it will get discovered by Google first. Okay, getting to know, yes, you have this page. Okay, I will come back and index your page. I'll come back because you just gave me your page, which means it is still in a discovery stage. It has discovered, but it has not indexed. Now it will send the robot once again to crawl your website. See, the page name it has got to know, but now you have to satisfy the Google system with a unique, here we go, canonical tag. Because if you have your page name is something unique, page will certainly get indexed. Second step will be the content. There should not be duplicate content. So all these kind of things should be satisfied to get your website to indexed properly in a Google system. All right. So we are from Assured Assist once again, and we are going to teach you an advanced SEO if you are going to join our program. And we are very sure that you will get into a different level of search engine optimization, kind of digital marketing program. Okay, so we can assure you with your subject knowledge, and we can ensure that you will get 100% knowledge on SEO as well as digital marketing. Both are same, don't get confused. I will explain you what is the difference in my next class. And I'm signing off until then. And my name is Praveen, and I have about 10 years experience in digital marketing, and I'm a part of Assured Assist Solutions Private Limited. Thank you so much. Praveen now signing off from Hyderabad.